Never lose at social media again. If you are a small business, it can feel like social media is this giant uphill battle that every day you are in an argument with the algorithm trying to get your content to the right people. If this is you, then you are going about it a little bit backwards and it's just going to make it harder for you. Instead, focus on the number of likes and saves that your content is getting instead of focusing on how many views it's getting. Recreate the content that is doing especially well, or go back even a couple months or a year to figure out what was doing well back then and recreate it in a new, fresh way. Then focus on how every video you create or every piece of content you create, your ideal audience is asking, why does this matter to me? If you can help them identify why it matters to them and why it's important to them, you can continue to create content that will perform better on social media. So instead of fighting the algorithm, focus on what you're creating and what you do best. Let me know if this helps and follow for simple ways to grow on social media.